What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Bicton. It is so pretty there. Honestly, it is the most beautiful place I've probably ever been to. I've been there a couple of times. It is so pretty. It will all make sense when you get there. I'll see you there. This is the ground, it's so pretty. My sister wanted to feed the ducks and seagulls. Look how many ducks and seagulls there are. It's so many. I'm trying to climb a tree, it's not going quite to plan. I'll take you into the playground with us and I hope it's fun. I wanted to make myself a fort. I'll show you the end result in a sec. And this is it.
Here's the brick wall, and here are all of my defence, in case anyone tries to break it. I got some Durex rock blocks, so I'll just finish it off.
And then we went for a walk to the big play park. These little playhouses are so cool. Me and my sister are gonna play a game. Okay, so you guys, I told my sister that we're playing hide and seek and we're not. I'm actually gonna spy on her. So let's see how this turns out. So basically she's hiding, and I think she's hiding in the red house because I'm facing a policeway here, and she could sneakily go past me in there, but I don't know. I think she's hiding. Right, I'm gonna have a go spying on her. Wait. She is going back to the police's house. She ran up there. Oh no, she's going out. Unfortunately, it got cut short because it was raining. Because it was raining, we decided that we're going to go explore the park on the train.
Please remain seated while the train's moving, and please don't lean out of the windows. Other than that, enjoy the ride and off we go.
Look how beautiful the views are of the lake. And then the front bit of the train came off. It was so weird, but then it came back and attached to the back of the train where we were, so now we came in the front. This is the Countryside Museum. Now we're going to take you along and see the old tools and all of the farming things that they used to use back then. And then we went in the hay barn. It was really fun. Me and my sister had a hay fight now. Watch and see how this turns out. At the end of our trip, when it stopped raining, we got a photo of this big bear. And that was it, guys. That was our Bicton trip. Honestly, out of 1 to 10 on the scale, I'd probably rate it a 9.5. The lowest 5 points were probably because it was raining, but otherwise it was honestly really good. That's why I recommended that you should definitely go at the start of the video. Anyway, make sure to always have fun and always smile, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep you updated with some more videos that are coming up soon.